everyone, this is Anushka Maan and welcome back to my channel. Sorry because if the video is a little shaky, but I needed to make this video because so many of you had so many questions for me. I don't have my tripod with me right now, but yeah. Today is 4th July 2026 and that reminds me of how 3 years ago, on 3rd July 2023, I decided that I have 5 months at hand, but I'm going to give it my all for the CAT examination. And that decision has led me to places and opportunities that I could only dream of. I did my MBA from SPJIMR. I completed it recently in 2026, this year. And now I'm working as a management consultant. And my life has just come to a completely new twist. And it has become something which I only thought of or which I could only dream of. So if you are someone who is just even a tad bit serious about giving CAT or doing an MBA from an Indian B school, but you are skeptical that whether or not you should actually start prepping or if the 5 months are enough or not, I am a life example, you guys. I am a fresher, non-engineer, all the weird categories you could fit me into. Started my prep 5 months before CAT and got 99 percentile, got selected into some of the best B schools of the country. Eventually, I chose SPJIMR Mumbai, which is also a lot of people ask questions why I chose SP over IIMs and all that, which I'll make a separate video about. But today, I want to be here and motivate all of you people who are thinking whether or not they should start the prep. Listen, for CAT 2026, there are roughly 150 days left. I want you to divide that time into 3 parts. The first 50 days has to be for familiarizing yourself with all the basics of all the concepts that are there. For quants, for VARC, for DILR, familiarize yourself with all the concepts that are there. You should be clear with the basics. And at the same time, I would suggest that every week start giving mocks from the very first day of your prep. Don't wait for the last moment that, okay, I'll start giving mocks later. Trust me, later doesn't come ever. Because if you start giving mocks, you'll familiarize yourself with the pattern that is there, what kind of questions are asked, how well you are improving day by day or week by week with the prep that you are making. Then, the next 50 days, I want you to focus and hone the skill of set selection. Now, in CAT, there are around 66 questions and you are not supposed to solve all of them. You have to be smart enough to understand in that limited time that what are the questions that you can efficiently and accurately solve. So I want you to start in the next 50 days, train yourself to start, understanding and selecting the right questions that you must be solving and not wasting your time here and there on all the different questions. So the next and the last 50 days are for practice and revision. But all of that strategy comes later. First, I want you to settle into the decision. If you are serious about it, just give it your all. 5 months is more than enough if you have the right strategy and if you are staying consistent with your practice every single day till the CAT examination arrives. So a lot of people have been asking that whether or not they should sign up for coaching and which is the best coaching. So for me, I had enrolled in the CAT King Institute and it worked really well for me. So that is something that you could consider if you want it. The other 2 coaching institutes that my friends went to were iQuanta and Unacademy, to name a few. So these 3 are something which are on the top of my mind. And but what I usually suggest to people in terms of coaching is that first, to the question that whether or not you should take coaching, I would say if a coaching really helps to put a direction to your preparation, because you know that every day at this hour you have to study. You always have someone to ask doubts or to, streamline your entire preparation. So it helps you stay consistent. So that's why in that regard, I feel coaching is important. Whether or not it should be online or offline, it depends on your schedule. I knew that I did not want to waste time traveling here and there, and online was something that is flexible as well. I can sit anywhere and study. So online coaching was my, decision. And as to which coaching to choose from, I get asked by a lot of people. What I suggest them to do is that you go through the parameters that each coaching institute tells you. Okay, every coaching institute, take a demo class maybe, or maybe talk to them that what all is it that they are offering, and then जो तुम्हें सही लगे, the one that you feel, that makes you feel that okay, you know, this is the coaching institute that might help me the best, go for that one. Obviously check the reviews and everything else, but I do feel that most coaching institutes, they offer the same curriculum barring a few things. It's a lot about the teachers who are there, the experiences of the students, and how the entire coaching platform makes you feel about your preparation. So go through what the different talk to these coaching platforms, and see what they have to offer, talk to them, take a demo class, talk to you, read up some reviews, and at the end finalize one and then go ahead with it. Second thing is about the resources that I refer to. For me, the resources that I refer to was first and foremost the coaching material that I had gotten. And sorry, my shoulder has started coming like this because it's aching now. So for what resources that you should be referring to, what I did was first and foremost the CAT coaching material that I got from the institute. So that had like different level of questions that you could solve, the beginner, the medium, and then advanced level. Then apart from that, for VARC particularly, I referred to Aeon essays. I used to read that every single day. So Aeon, AEON, is a website where you have these essays which are very similar to the ones that you find in the reading comprehensions in the CAT examinations. So I used to read one of them every single day. That improved my reading speed, understanding speed, and also vocab. I had also gone through that vocabulary builder book. I'll mention that in the description down below. I don't remember the name right now, but it also helped me to sort of improvise my vocabulary in a quick manner, and that was pretty helpful for me for the RCs. And apart from that, there were times when I couldn't understand certain concepts, so I took like boot camp sessions or like these sped up sessions from Sudhanshu sir, who is an alum of IIM Lucknow. So he used to post those on his YouTube channel, and also he used to be my teacher when I was part of Cat King. So his bootcamp sessions for some concepts of DILR and some concepts for quants were really helpful for me. So this was majorly all about the resources that I referred to and what coaching institutes I went to. So today is the day for you. If you're really serious about getting into an Indian B school, stop hesitating. First of all, give it your all. Give it your all. Make a strategized plan. Stick with it every single day. And trust me, something magical is going to happen beyond it. Do not waste your time hesitating. Either you do it or just drop the idea completely. Don't get stuck in between. If you're a tad bit serious about it, get on your toes right now. And trust me, magic does happen when you are consistent and you work hard every single day. So that's all from my end for this short video. Thank you for bearing with me with my shaky video. No tripod I have right now. I'm in Mumbai right now. And like it's been raining crazy, I swear. It's my the third year now in Bombay, and I still get very surprised when it doesn't stop raining for like many days. But yeah, it's a beautiful city, beautiful weather, and yeah, for the CAT preparation thing, I see your comments, I see your questions coming in every now and then. I promise that the moment I find time, I'm going to compile all those questions and make a full form video about it, like proper a detailed video, and also maybe take up some sessions where I explain how you can, strategize your prep better, or maybe how you can do the question solving or set selection better, anything that helps you. So all the very best for your preparation. I'm rooting for you all, and see you in the next video hopefully. Bye bye.